Already migrated your app to the cloud and ready to take things to the next level? It's time to talk about containerization. With containerization, you package up your application and everything it needs to run into lightweight, portable containers. This means your app will work the same no matter where you deploy it, whether it's your laptop, a server, or the cloud. AWS makes it even easier to manage these containers with services like Amazon Elastic Container Service and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service. ECS is perfect if you want AWS to handle most of the heavy lifting of managing your containers, while EKS is your go-to if you prefer to have Kubernetes in control of how your containers run and scale across the cloud. With these AWS services, say goodbye to infrastructure headaches and hello to smoother, faster deployments in the cloud. Discover more about how we can help you streamline your processes by checking out our latest insights on our blog. The link is in the description. Track it, your application modernization experts.